So like I said before, the Haitian Revolution is a very complex piece of history with a lot of different moving parts. Very interesting stuff. See if you can keep up and keep count of the participating parties and why they did what they did in the strategy. But it of course starts off with the enslaved population. August 21st, 1791. Over 100 years of enslavement on the island of Haiti, multiple generations of both indigenous populations as well as enslaved Africans brought over to Haiti or the colony of Saint Domingue. Over 100 years later, this population finally revolts, trying to get full citizenship, political and social rights of a French citizen. After a year of revolting, violence and basically war on the island, by 1792 the slave rebels had taken over 1/3 of the Saint Domingue colony, and by now the National Assembly of France legally decreed all free black men to have equal civil, social and political rights as the French citizens. Note, right now it's all free black men, not all black men, period. So all the slaves that were still held on the island were technically still seen as non-citizens.
Powers in the truth, that's why the truth is so elusive. All this black magic, black ones, mathematics, black funds, black's class.